Did you know that with just 3 eggs and 2 cans of tuna, you can create a dish that looks like it came from a restaurant? Here on Healthy You, you'll learn this amazing recipe that's rich in protein, low in carbs, and perfect for anyone who wants to lose weight without giving up flavor. If you want to receive practical and healthy recipes that actually work every week, leave a like and subscribe to the channel right now. This dish will solve that usual problem. What should I make for lunch that's tasty, quick, and won't sabotage my diet? Golden patties, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, accompanied by a creamy mashed potato and a special sauce that will have everyone asking for the recipe. Stay until the end because you'll see a secret tip that makes all the difference in the result. You won't want to miss it. First, we need 3 eggs, 2 cans of tuna in oil well drained, salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, finely chopped parsley and chives, the zest of 1 lemon, which is one of the secrets of the flavor, and 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs for the patties. For the creamy mashed potatoes, we'll need 5 to 6 medium potatoes, butter, 100 milliliters of warm milk, and salt to taste. And for the special sauce that makes everything even tastier, we'll use 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 grated pickled cucumber, chopped dill, and salt and pepper to taste. Now let's start cooking. Crack the 3 eggs into a bowl and add the well-drained tuna. It's important to drain the oil thoroughly so the mixture isn't too greasy. Season with salt, black pepper, and sweet paprika, then add the finely chopped parsley and chives. Here comes the first golden tip of this recipe, grated lemon zest. This will give an incredible freshness and a flavor that nobody will be able to guess. Mix everything well until all ingredients are incorporated, then add the breadcrumbs to give the mixture structure and consistency. This will help the patties stay firm during frying. Set the mixture aside and cook the potatoes in salted boiling water until they're soft. This will be the base for the creamy mashed potatoes that will accompany the patties. Next, heat a skillet with a little oil, just enough to cover the bottom. The secret is to get the oil very hot. Shape the patties with slightly wet hands so the mixture doesn't stick, then place them carefully in the skillet. Here's the secret tip promised at the start. Don't flip the patties too quickly. Let them sear well on one side first, so they become golden and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Now flip carefully to brown the other side. While the patties are frying, prepare the special sauce. In a bowl, mix the heavy cream, mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard. Pay attention, the pickled cucumber must be grated, not chopped, so it becomes creamier and incorporates better into the sauce. Add the chopped dill. If you don't have dill, parsley works well too, and season with salt and pepper, mixing everything thoroughly. Remove the patties and place them on paper towels to drain excess oil. The potatoes are cooked and soft, so drain the water. To make the mashed potatoes, add a bit of butter and gradually pour in the warm milk, mashing as you go to avoid lumps. The secret to creamy mashed potatoes is adding the hot milk slowly. Season with salt to taste. Look how delicious this dish is. It's high in protein, perfect for anyone who trains or wants to lose weight healthily. Tuna is a source of omega-3. Eggs provide complete protein, and if you want to reduce carbs even more, you can eat just the patties with the sauce, without the mashed potatoes. An important tip, you can bake the patties ahead of time and freeze them, then just fry them whenever you want. If this video helped you, check out the material I left in the description. It can help you lose weight without giving up flavor, with simple and delicious recipes that will transform your kitchen routine and help you reach your goals faster than you imagine. So, did you like the recipe? Tell me in the comments. Leave your like if you're going to make it this week and subscribe to the channel, activating the bell so you don't miss any healthy and delicious recipes like this. Tell me in the comments, which recipe do you want to see here on Healthy You? See you next time, everyone.